How you doing, fam? My name is Jenna. For you that are new, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. For you who haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe down here, fam. Like, subscribe, and share this video. It really helps out. Today, fam, this video is sponsored by Custom Tunning. If you don't know how Custom Tunning, I'll put a link down below. Custom Tunning make accessories, car parts for the Camry. I believe the Infinity K60 and a couple more cars down there. They actually sponsored me with a diffuser, if you see down here. And as you all see, you all know, I got my lip kit, I got my side skirts, my diffuser, and I need for the corner ones. So now, big shout out to Custom Tunning for the nice corner aprons. Real nice material. Thick. I am gonna point this out. They do send you the corner aprons with the bolts. I can't find the bolts. I literally spent like 1 hour looking for them inside and outside the car. I can't find them. I had this for maybe about a month. I'm gonna try to put them on right now. You guys can follow me here. One of the main things for the corner apron, don't mind the car, guys. I don't know if it rained or I don't know what the hell happened, but it's wet. One of the things that I saw on most of them is you have to take the mud flap, the back mud flap out to make the corner apron fit. Because if I test it out here just like that with the corner apron, it's actually gonna. Oh wait, never mind. Is it like this? No. Oops, I'm putting it the wrong way. Well, actually, like this. I mean, you can put it either way, but I mean, nothing's gonna look good like that. So once you put it in, if you guys see right here on the back, I don't know if you guys can point this out. It's actually coming out. It's actually sticking out a little bit. So you have to take the mud flat out. That's the only bad thing about this mod. This might sound crazy, but actually, hold on. Let me point another detail out. Actually, here, I don't know if you can see on the bottom right here, it has the holes for it. So the car already has holes for the corner apron. You just have to take the mud flat out so you can reach. So we'll give this a try and see how it looks. All right, fam. So the mud flaps literally. Let me put flash over here. There we go. Has one over here, 2, 3, and then 4 in the corner there. So those are the 4 bolts you need to take out to take the mud flat out. For that one, you need the smallest socket wrench you can find. If you guys, like my dad has the whole toolbox, so he has from the biggest to the smallest. To be honest, I wasn't here for a couple weeks, so I didn't have the socket. I had a bigger one that I used for the fog lights. So to find this, it was a pain in the butt. I went from AutoZone to AutoZone, and then I was gonna buy it on Amazon, but you know, I'm always that kind of person that I want my things now. So I went to Home Depot, and Home Depot sells this. I bought it for 17 bucks. The smallest ones, because it will not fit. Because once you're right here, if you get a bigger one, if you get a connection one, like the big one that I have for the fog lights, you won't be able to work because it's in between here, the tire and the mud flap. You don't want to take your whole tire just to take a mud flat out. It's way too much work. The smallest ones, and then you just work from there. And so remember, the first one, it's actually a plastic one, so you have to unscrew a little bit and then pull it maybe with a flat screwdriver. Oh, never mind. You just came out with a hand. Look at that. Jesus. Okay. Well, that's it. The other 3 that I'm seeing, I hope there's not. No, there's one in the bottom, I think. Snap. Okay. So there's 4 then left. So we're gonna take them out really fast and then move from there. Okay. And the mud flaps, we have 1 in the bottom, so don't forget this one in the bottom, and that's pretty much gonna be the hole for the corner apron because we got 1 over here too. So I got ahead and took the other mud flap out. This one I can already unscrew it, so you can see there's 1 over here. There's 2 in the corner, which is really rough, tough to get because the tire's there. But we're getting there. This is really a pain in the butt. And this one is out. All right, and don't forget we got the one in the bottom too. That one is a metal one. It's not a plastic. So that one should be out really fast. And it comes out. Quick tip, careful because there is dirt. And there it is. If you guys are looking for mud flaps, I got mud flaps for sale. I got the square bezels for sale too. The regular XSC ones for sale, because they got the round one. So let me know. Comment down below or in my IG. Alright fam, so for the first hole, actually it's gonna be from the factory hole where the mud flap was, so we are gonna have a bolt. For the back one, since we don't have the bolt right now because I can't find it, we're actually gonna use a zip tie just for the looks, so you guys can see it, and then we'll see from there. Then maybe we might stop out or something, buy the bolt and put it in there just for security. It also comes with a 3M tape, double stick tape, so big shout out to Custom Tunning for that, and let's try it out. Alright, so even though Custom Tunning has a 3M tape over here for it, I'm actually gonna hold on to it. I'm not gonna do it just yet because I have a little experiment that I want to try it out. I'm just giving you guys the proper installation on it, so we're gonna do it right now. It fit right here perfectly. Like I said, it's gonna be the factory bolt. It's gonna be on the first where the mud flap actually is. What I'm gonna recommend you guys is to align. Let me get the camera here. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. To align, just get this on clear. There's certain plastics that you need to align them so the bolt can go in without no problem. It's gonna be a little bit difficult. You can push the black part here a little bit in so the bolt can fit there, and then this can be just loosey, you know. Alright fam, let's get down to installation. So when you guys put the side apron, the corner apron, it's gonna align to the hole really fast. Just tight it. There we go. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. As I said, I don't have the bolt. I won't get tired of mentioning because it's really funny, but it does match with the factory hole here that Toyota put on the car. Really funny they did that. So once again, I'm just gonna zip tie it for now. There it is, nice and tight. Let's put a little bit tighter here on the front just in case. The first one, ooh, look at that, glossy. Alright, so you can actually see me. So the first one actually goes in the factory hole with the factory bolt from the mud flap. The back one, as I said, it does fit in the hole. The one that actually the Camry comes with the hole, so it's really funny. It looks like Toyota once again had you know, this apron maybe for maybe it had a hole for an apron. So I mean, they already have it. There you have it, fam. Yeah. Go a little bit closer. So the good thing that I have a white car, so it does stand out. You can see my reflection, my brother's reflection right there. That white Pro is so sexy. But there it is, fam. Perfect on the back. Real nice. It does stick out a little bit, giving it that wide body look a little bit. What I do want to do though is a little experiment. It might work, it might not work. So proper installation on it, really nice and simple. Just taking the bolts out for the mud flap. That's a difficult part because you have so little space in between. But there it is. So you have it, fam. It looks really nice. Of course, the nice with the side skirt, really nice. And you can see right now the double stick tape, but it's okay. We're gonna take that out. For now, we're gonna leave it like that. What I am gonna recommend is, if you guys have holes right here, is put the bolts back on just to keep the cover here nice and tight on both of them, of course. Just put him back. I'm gonna put him back right now. I've got all the bolts here. I'm just gonna put him back just because, you know, leaving a hole there's no reason for it. I mean, like I said, I'm very OCD and that's really gonna bother me, so I have to put them on. I mean, I recommend them just because you don't want dirt going through them. Alright fam, like I said on my previous video, which I put the link down below, I'm all about the little details. And like I also mentioned in my previous video, this is the eyebrows. So if you guys can add little details for outside the car, like I said on my last video, and I mentioned you guys and talked to you guys about it, walked you through. Outside the car, it is gonna get faded by the sun. It's gonna the plastic is gonna eat itself, and the carbon fiber look is gonna go away. So what I'm gonna add is a clear gloss from VHT. This is a pretty much leftover that I have from my engine bay. So I'm just gonna add a little bit, a couple coats, and then put them on really fast just to put it there and see how it looks. So check it out. Okay. A little bit more layers. I did use my VHC clear coat. That was my baby brother. He just woke up, so we gotta wrap this up. We just finished putting the last clear coat. We're gonna put it in, install him in the car. So stay tuned. Makes it look mean, you know, aggressive. The look that I was going. This one is just for little details to cover it up. You know, the wrap, just for the fun of it. To be honest, I had bought this for a long time before I got a wrap, so I decided to put it in right now. Alright fam, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. It really does help. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Before I finish up this video, I want to let you guys know I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I just reached my 300 subscribers, so thank you guys for the support, the love, for sharing this video, for liking, commenting, you know, for viewing my videos. I really do appreciate it. I'm going to give something back to you guys, so I'm going to be doing a giveaway. If you guys follow my Instagram down below, you can see the details in about a week from now. I might actually put it here on YouTube too, for other people that don't have Instagram, so you guys can follow. And in a week from now, we'll let you guys know about the giveaway, what the details on them, and how to get in. So stay tuned for that, fam. And remember, fam, it's not just a car. So stay sexy.
Dale, dale, dale.